This is section 5.3, exponential and logarithmic functions. Now, there are ways to do this by hand. I am going to show you how to use the calculator for this, and you purchased it. So you're just on a regular calculate screen. We're going to hit menu, algebra, numerical solve. So it's not going to be anything new. We've done this before. Right. And to the x. Just make sure you're out of the exponent, you arrow to the right, then put your comma x. Okay, so just kind of make a note there, or maybe write it out on your paper, how this looks in the calculator for reference. And nearest thousand is 3 decimal places, so it's 3.415. Let's look at our next one. Still going to use numerical solve. Use E and want to raise it to the 7x. Again, arrow to the right to get out of the exponent, and then put your comma x and hit enter. And it's 3 decimal places. Now, if you wanted to check this, you could. So let's go back. I'm going to show you that real quick. So if we do E, seven times, and we did 1.282. Because we were rounding, we should get something close to 7,900, and we did. Right? So let's do this one. So menu, algebra, numerical solve. So don't forget to arrow down out of your exponent. Kind of double check everything. And the calculator does bold the E, which is fine. And there's thousand, so that's 3 decimal places, 0.916. Now this one has no equal sign, so you're not going to use numerical solve. You're just going to put it in the calculator to evaluate it. So that's a regular log. We have a base of 3. Then we're going to take log base 3 of control square root of 17. Okay. Be careful how you put that in. You hit enter. 1.289. 4 decimal places. 1.289. Let's get the fourth one. 94 is going to round up to 5. Put this next one in. And drop numerical solve. Yes. Equals 31270, comma x. So again, maybe make a note of what it looks like in the calculator on your notes. And this was the nearest whole number. It's really odd. So x is going to be equal to 5. The one on the right, same thing. So menu, algebra, numerical solve. Now the exponent is negative x plus 2. It's kind of a long exponent, and that's fine. Then remember to arrow to the right to get out of the exponent area equals 25. And don't forget your comma x. Okay. This was 4 decimal places. And let's look at that fourth one real quick. It was a 0, but there's a 4 after it, so it stays a 0. All right, and this, they say check graphically. Um, on the older calculators, you could actually graph it a certain way. You'd be able to find the answer, but the Inspires do actually have the buttons for you, so we're going to use those. So let's do a couple more of these. Menu, algebra, numerical solve. Arrow to the right, comma x, 1.482. And then our last one is that long exponent again. It's negative x plus 4. Make sure you arrow to the right and then put your equals. 65 comma x 0.200. And that is it for section 5.3.